Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a chat on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. In the chat section, find the chat that you want to delete. Once you have found it, tap and hold on the chat until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on the delete chat option. A confirmation menu will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the chat. To proceed, tap on the delete chat option again to complete the deletion process. And this is how you can delete a chat on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.